Bonjour, mes amis. So, how do you say the four seasons in French? Should you use au or en? So, let's learn about the French seasons vocabulary as well as typical sentences used to talk about the seasons. First of all, we learn how to say the seasons in French. Obviously, les saisons, that is the seasons. Number one is printemps, that is spring. Number two, été, that is summer. Number third is automne, M is silent here, that is autumn. Number four, hiver, H is silent here, that is winter. Although all the seasons are masculine in French, to translate in plus season's name and the plus season's name in French, the preposition will change. Why? Why preposition will change? Because of the vowel or silent H which starts été, automne, hiver. You will also have a strong liaison with capital N of the en. Let's have a look. Le printemps, that is the spring. Le printemps, that is in spring. Let's take an example. Il fait beau au printemps. That means it's nice in spring. It's beautiful in spring. Il fait means it is. Beau, that means beautiful, nice. Il fait beau au printemps. That is, it's nice in spring. Okay. The second one, l'été, the summer. Un été, that is in summer. Let's take an example. Il fait chaud en été. That means it is hot in summer. Il fait means it is chaud, that is hot. Il fait chaud, it is hot. Il fait chaud en été. It is hot in summer. Okay. Third one is l'automne, that is autumn. The autumn. En automne, that is in autumn. Let's take an example. Les feuilles tombent en automne. That is leaves fall in autumn. Les feuilles tombent, that is the leaves fall. So, les feuilles tombent en automne. That is leaves fall in autumn. The fourth one, l'hiver, that is the winter. En hiver, that is in winter. Let's take an example. Il fait froid en hiver. That is, it's cold in winter. Il fait, it is. Froid, that is cold. Il fait froid, it is cold. Il fait froid en hiver. That is, it was cold in winter. You can say it is cold in winter. Il neige en hiver. That is, it snows in winter. Il neige, it's snowing. Il neige en hiver. That is, it snows in winter. How do you ask about the weather? Quel temps fait la France au printemps? What is the weather like in France in spring? Quel temps fait la France en été? What is the weather like in France in summer? Quel temps fait la France en automne? What is the weather like in France in autumn? Quel temps fait la France en hiver? Quel temps fait la France en hiver? That is, what is the weather like in France in winter? Quel temps fait chez toi? Quel temps fait chez toi? What is the weather like at your place? Quel temps fait? What weather is it? Alright. I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. Au revoir.